Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
I'm Lado, co-founder of SioDynamiX, an engineering startup building next-generation battery systems for hybrid vehicles. This journey began when customers reached out to us with a critical problem: inevitable failure of traction batteries. Over 10 million people face the dilemma today: buy a refurbished battery, which is unreliable and unsafe, or a new one that costs nearly as much as the car itself and it's still outdated. We are a team of 3 engineers with 60 years of combined experience in electrical and automotive engineering. We've collaborated for 2 decades and launched 2 successful companies. And we have a solution, which is our pilot product, a plug-and-play replacement battery pack for Toyota and Lexus hybrids, using brand new sodium-ion battery technology. And this was made possible by our cleverly designed air cooling system, which addresses key challenges in auto industry, cutting cooling space by 60% while boosting performance. So here's what we offer. For customers, a battery on steroids, lighter, stronger, and cooler alternative with 50% longer lifespan and 15% better fuel efficiency. And to manufacturers, licensed to our cooling technology. So far, we've sold 1 prototype, which has been under testing for 1 year with great results. We have patent pending in Georgia, and we are applying for PCT. Right now, we are connecting with auto workshops and taxi fleets as future customers while preparing marketing campaigns and licensing plan. We start in Georgia's $19 million market, where thousands of hybrids need battery replacements each year, then expand to the regional market, which is 10 times larger. We plan on selling 40,000 units by the end of our 5-year plan and generating $55 million revenue. GITA grant would jumpstart the production, help us secure necessary funds and infrastructure for obtaining relevant certifications and developing new products. Thank you.
Wow. Okay.
Good job. So who's the customer?
So customer is everyone who has a Prius or any Toyota or Lexus hybrid for now. This is our first product.
So you want to sell to the end user through auto body shops and or dealers? Is that the idea?
Yeah,
Or,
we sell directly to the customer. We have partnerships with auto workshops. We have one ourselves. My father is the founder of Subaru Motors, and we have already customer base there. We are also connecting with other workshops and.
so you have your own workshop?
Yes.
That's it. So you're starting with your own workshop.
Yes.
Direct to consumer.
Yes, and then going B2B2C.
Okay. I've never heard of a Prius battery failing. But so it happens? You're saying it happens
Yes.
in this part of the world?
Oh no, I was a happy Prius owner for many years.
As was
and
I.
then, And then when the day came that it needed a new battery, it's going to be around. I think it was going to be around $7,000 for a new battery.
But it didn't fail, right? It just got worse.
Well, but the point is that I could take it to a shop like yours and get this put in, right?
Yes.
But I chose.
How much?
At what price?
How much is your installed cost?
So for Prius, it costs about $1,400.
Installed.
Yes.
Parts and labor.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
So that's much.
Okay.
So that's much less expensive.
Right.
Yes.
Than other.
And with better performance.
Okay, but you don't make batteries. You make battery packs.
Yes, we make packs.
Right. Right. So, but your plan is to start making battery packs and then license out the cooling technology? Is that the theory?
So our IP is the cooling technology.
Right.
So the fitting more power in the same space was a difficult challenge, and we needed to save space. And we came up with a cooling system which cools better and lengthens the lifespan of the battery, and it fits.
So your hope is that OEMs will adopt this, or tier ones will adopt this?
The cooling technology, yes.
So are you talking to any tier ones?
Not yet.
Okay.
So the selling an IP is a whole different beast than
But
selling a product.
yeah, that's not on this model.
That's the plan, right?
That's what I'm asking. Is that what Bill's talking about is a completely different model than what's up here?
So this is for the batteries, and we need to sell those batteries to accumulate funds to then go to the global market with the patent.
Right.
Because
so right now we're
certifications and licensing is expensive. So this is the start.
So right now we're selling direct through our own shop.
Yes.
Right? And the next step would be getting other shops to sell
Right.
product.
In Georgia and in Azerbaijan.
And that's down there.
Right.
And then there's a longer term vision, which is that we license the technology to OEMs.
Yes.
That's the plan.
Gotcha.
But that's not part of what you presented today.
He mentioned it. You mentioned it, but it's not on this slide.
Yeah.
Right.
That's fine. I
So-
mean, there's nothing wrong with
Yeah.
that. I'm just trying to make sure I understand.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, and you sold your first battery.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So where is, how do you scale this?
We start production. We build the workshop where we produce the packs.
Right.
And then we
And where are
add
you sourcing your batteries from?
from China.
Okay. Okay. All right. And
Where they all
okay,
come
so so you're going to source batteries from China and start building these battery packs. Do you have, so how fast can you scale it, and what's the constraint? Is the constraint your ability to build the packs, or is it the people who want the battery?
Today, constraint is the funding. So,
Right, which is your ability to build the
Yeah,
packs.
the
okay?
GITA grant would allow us to build 50 packs, which then will allow us to build 100 packs by
50.
Yes.
Okay.
By the end of the year, we would have sold 150 packs, and in 2027, we plan on selling 1,000 units.
Okay,
What's your margin on the pack per sale?
About 53%.
53%.
Really?
Margin.
I'm sorry. So you're saying that for $700, you can
build the
build and install a battery pack,
Yes.
and you charge $1,400. That's what I heard. Really? Okay. So, okay, I get that hybrid battery packs are much smaller than, EV packs.
Yes.
So that's, I guess, part of it. But, all right. And then what's your warranty on the pack?
We provide 5-year replacement warranty on the pack.
Okay. So, and how, again, you haven't had a chance to do, testing, right? So your assumption is you're using off-the-shelf batteries and core battery pack technology, and plus your cooling system can only help, right? You're assuming the cooling system won't hurt.
So the cooling system is the part of the design of the pack.
Right.
It has to be included in the pack and how we build the pack.
Right. So I'm assuming the pack is, well, interesting question. To put a cooling system in, the pack is a slightly different shape. Is that true or not?
It fits in the same dimensions.
Okay.
It doesn't need any modifications.
Okay.
Size is relatively the same, but shapes are a bit different.
But obviously it has to fit in the Prius, right? So does that mean in order to put the cooling system in, you have fewer batteries?
No.
Fewer cells? You have the same number of cells?
We fit more batteries because we reduced the cooling space by 60% with this cooling
So
technology.
you're saying your cooling system is better than Toyota's
Yes.
cooling system. That's your claim to fame.
That's a hook.
Okay. All right. And how have you been able to test that?
We conducted tests, performance tests, stress testing. We also tested on fire safety. We tested temperatures, and we have, great results.
Okay.
All's good.
So, but you're actually building the battery pack. So you're doing all the, module interconnect yourself. And so are you automotive standard for, the quality? So the presumption is when you get to a tier 1, they will do the certification. Is that
We certified through, TUV. There are a few standards, UN 38 and 3, EC 26, 26, 2.
timeline? Okay, and that's in the next, right, so you're not going to get full certification until 2028. That's your, right? That's your reality. Okay.
So we need to patent
okay.
it first to protect the IP and then
Okay.
certify it.
Okay. So you're in sort of a protected market here in Georgia, and that gives you time and space to get this other stuff done. That's and prove. Okay. All right. Boy, 50% margin. I had just done. Okay.
On hardware,
And
that's
it's
crazy good.
growing.
Pardon?
And it's going to grow.
And you
We're
think
going to
it'll get
go
better?
up to 57%.
Maybe.
For the beginning, it's the next,
2026.
it's the next year
Yeah.
about 60, and at the
Okay.
third year about 70%.
What is the size of a, so specifically Prius? You wouldn't do
The Prius is the first one because the demand is big.
Okay.
And we chose Prius for that exact reason.
Okay.
We can do many applications of battery packs. We can do for other cars.
So who's the next hybrid after Prius?
Ford.
Ford. Yeah, in fact, Ford.
Ford
Ford.
is, okay. And what's the size of the battery pack?
It will be plug and play in same shapes without even.
No, I meant in terms of kilowatt hours.
For hybrids, it's starting from 1 kilowatt hours and up to 10 kilowatt hours, not
Yeah,
more.
it's pretty small.
It's
Right.
pretty small.
That's what you're saying.
That's
Okay.
why it's important to use the natrium-ion batteries. That natrium-ion batteries is for cool, is designed for cool areas, and for electromobiles, EVs are using lithium-ion batteries that can heat itself because it has its enough
Okay.
energy, and hybrid cars does not have enough energy to cool itself.
Yeah, okay.
One question I have before you go, like the secret sauce. What is it?
Yep.
Explain the secret sauce.
The secret sauce is the cooling system. We are patenting
Right, I
that.
understand, but like I think it's important. So you're saying that, but for us, that's convincing, right?
Right.
Everyone around you who wants to do business, with you. So
How is your cooling system different that
yeah,
makes it better?
I understand the efficiency, but how come you came out with this idea and just everyone else is just using?
I don't know. It's pretty simple.
I don't know. Is that what he said? Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, I'm surprised that nobody came up with this.
Oh, that's what you're saying.
I see.
Okay, well,
So it's the physical design.
Yes.
can you give us one
Is it-
sentence on why your cooling system is different and therefore better? Is it the airflow? Is it no fan? Is it channeling? Is it added? Is it
Self-initiated.
3D
So
printing?
the
I don't-
system can work on natural convection without fan, but the car has fan itself. So the key in the design is to design air channels which do not clog and have better airflow and more surface for cooling.
Okay.
Great. Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got to keep us on.